On the master bedroom TV, use this black remote, which belongs to the TV, to use the TV. Press this button on the top right to turn on the TV, which should bring you to this menu. Here you can select all the apps you want to use. Again, none of these are configured and need to be configured with your user account if you want to use them, except for the Google TV app, which is again configured, YouTube TV, which is again configured to work with the pre-configured account so that you can watch live TV here in the bedroom as well. Pressing the big button in the center will bring you back to the main menu. You should never need to change from this input to anything else. It should always boot up into this mode when you're starting the TV. As usual, volume can be controlled on this side. If you were to connect anything extra, these are the input settings.